Well, it's Sunday, and check this out. The succulents are just looking magnificent. The colors are just bursting. We've been getting a lot of rain here in California, but these guys are loving it. You know, of course I use, good soil, good drainage. But look at these guys. They're just unbelievable right now. They're loving this rain. I have them all outdoors. This is just a few of my succulents that I've been propagating. And I just lost with words. That's all I can say. Unbelievable. The colors are looking amazing, even though we don't get much sun. This is south facing, so it does get some sun, but not a lot. But they're still retaining all their colors, and when summertime hits, bam, these guys are gonna go real orange. So hope you guys enjoy this little quick clip of these little guys just looking unbelievable. So enjoy. Talk to y'all later.